Utkarsh Minds Python for Data Science. Today we will see a very important library of data science known as NumPy. For that, let us open our Colab notebook, colab.research.google.com. Then we will click on New Notebook. Once the notebook is open, I will give the heading NumPy. So this will be lesson 13, NumPy Introduction, and click on Connect. Just like data science and Python are very useful, NumPy is a very important part of Python. In NumPy, we write in this manner: import NumPy, because it is a library. Every Python library has to be imported using the word import and then the name of the library. Sometimes you may also have to install the library. So in that case, for installation, you will write pip install NumPy. The reason is that this is the way Python installs libraries. There is an exclamation mark, pip install, and name of the library. If you try to install an already present library, you will get a message requirement already satisfied. Once we know that NumPy is already there in our system, we can create a NumPy array like this, numpy.array, and in this we can create 1, 2, 3, and let us see how it looks like. So you get an array like this. It is also possible to create an array which has multiple dimensions like 3, 4. So see, it is a two-dimensional array. In this way, even higher dimensional arrays can be created. It is possible to create an array from a list. So for that, let us say you have a list like this, 1, 2, 3, and you want to convert that into a NumPy array. Then you will create it like this, and you see that it has become now a NumPy array. There are several advantages of NumPy arrays. One is speed. So it is very fast to work with NumPy arrays. Some important command is arange. So this creates an array from the number which is taken as the starting point and up to the, but not including the last. One more way we can create a NumPy array is 0, 10 with a jump of 2. So 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Then we can also create an array of zeros. So you just have to specify how many will be your what will be the size of your NumPy array. If you want to create a two-dimensional array, then 3, 3. If you want to create an array of ones, then we write 5, 5. So this will create a two-dimensional array of ones. Next, there is also one more popular command for creating an array from 0 up to 10, and by also we can specify what should be the number of points. So number of points should be 100. So that will create an array starting from 0 up to 10 with 100 points at equal intervals. Very useful. One more function that is useful is the I function. So this will create a diagonal matrix with all the elements at the diagonal position will be 1. In data science, we need to create random numbers, so this rand function is useful. These are 5 random numbers between 0 and 1. We can create a 2-dimensional random number. So 10, 10. So this is a 2-dimensional array where each dimension is having 10 elements. If you want to see the dimensions, then there is a very useful way of seeing. For example, I am saving this as data and then data dot shape. So 10, 10. That means there are 10 rows and 10 columns. Then there is one more way to use the rand integer. So this will create random integer between 1 to 100. One more way will be to write it in this way: random dot rand int, and I will write 1, 100, 10. So that means we want to create 10 integers between 1 to 100. If we want to reshape a particular array, let us say I am storing this in a variable data, and now I want to reshape. So I want to reshape this as 2, 5. So let us see what happens. So you see we get 2 rows and 5 columns. If I want to reshape it as 5, 2, then we will get 5 rows and 2 columns. So that is the use of this reshape command. Let us say there is a maximum value we want to find, then it is 96. We get that using the max command. If we want to find out the position of 96, then we can apply the argmax. So it is at the 5th index. NP array indexes start from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5th index dot minimum value is 2. So where is the minimum index located? That is at argmin. So it is also at the 2nd index. Other than that, there are some useful functions to find out the shape, which is very useful. Reshape we have already seen here, and finally the D type, to find out what is the data type. So that we will get that data type means it is field of integers, whereas if we do the type, then we will understand that it is a NumPy array. That's it for today's video, introduction to NumPy. You can practice on this, and we will see you for the next video.